person. Good morning. It is 6:45. We're about to head out on like a 50-minute drive to Key West.
Becky, why are you dressed like you're going to spend a lot of time in the sun today?
Because we're going fishing.
It's really not often that we're the first ones up in the morning. And there's no activity going on in this campground at the moment, so we really must be the first ones up. We're the go-getters of the day. Anyway, let's get out of the campground.
When we were looking for things to do in the Florida Keys on this trip, everybody was very persistent on us getting out on the water and fishing. It was like two of the most common things that people said to do around here. So we did book this fishing tour. It's like a catch and cook. So whatever you catch, you get to take with you, which is kind of cool. Neither of us are really like big fisher people, fishing
Neither
people.
one of us really go fishing.
It should be fun. We'll see how it goes, and then we'll see how the cooking of the fish goes. That'll be interesting too. Are you gonna cook it?
All right, well, the morning that we thought we had a bunch of time, turns out, we have 45 minutes left over to get breakfast, find parking, and here we are. We found parking. We ran to get breakfast. Construction held us up by about 10 or 15 minutes, so. Anyway, now we just have to go down and find where the boat is on the dock, and we'll be heading out for the day.
Oh, here he is, right here. No, I'm good. Welcome to our campground that we magically appeared at. We finished the fishing tour and we got our fish, but by the end of it we were just like so hot. There was no wind on the boat. So we just came to our campground to kind of regroup. I think we're just gonna go jump in the pool and cool off right now. And then we'll probably pick you guys up when we start to cook the fish. See how that goes. So, until then, we'll be in the pool.
On a side note, I really hope we can get it. That's really loud, isn't it? When I was trying to book the campgrounds here for Key West, I noticed that there was a lot of veterans campgrounds available. I didn't really connect the dots here. There is a naval base or some sort of military base here on Key West because we've seen fighter jets flying over the campground and they are incredibly loud. I think I hear one now. I've seen the Canadian snowbirds fly like over Greenwood, but anyway, yeah, something kind of neat. I hope they don't fly at night. That'd be worse than the rooster.
There's also roosters here.
Is there really?
They're walking around. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is with roosters around Florida, but they're everywhere. Everywhere.
Well, I mean, if they're around our campsite, they're probably going to be here in the morning too, right?
You gotta get those oranges out of there.
Not for you guys. Look, here comes their friend. What's your thoughts on these roosters?
We haven't been this close to them. Oh my gosh, there's another one. And they're loud when you're not close to them, so I can't imagine what they're like when you're close to them. I'm having a lunch.
I just can't win. These corn tacos, man. May as well just eat it with your fingers and enjoy it, because the taco falls apart anyway.
Not always.
2 thumbs up. Good day fishing. Alright, we just finished up dinner. It's getting kind of late here. As you can see, it's getting dark outside already. Becky and I are going to head to bed for the night. We're going to go have some showers, and then tomorrow morning I think we're going to just try to explore a little bit of Key West. But we really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching today's video. If you haven't already, please click subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Nick and Beck. Thanks for coming along. See you guys next week.